The Mazda RX500 is a unique and futuristic concept car developed by Mazda in the late 1960s as part of a celebration of the company's 50th anniversary. Originally known as Toyo Kogyo Company Limited, Mazda envisioned the RX500 as a mobile laboratory to test safety technologies and showcase the potential of rotary engines. Development began with a small group of engineers and designers who volunteered their time after work hours. Among them was Shigenori Fukuda, whose aerodynamic wagon-like coupe design was selected for its sleek lines and low drag coefficient. The vehicle was first shown as a detailed clay model in January 1969. A fully functional prototype was completed by late 1970 and unveiled at the 17th Tokyo Motor Show. The RX500 featured an ultra-lightweight body constructed from plastic and glass fiber panels, weighing only 850 kilograms, 1,874 pounds. Its design incorporated butterfly-style doors and twin gull-wing engine covers. Power came from a 982 cubic centimeters twin-rotor, 10 Wankel engine mounted in front of the rear axle. With a high revving limit of 15,000 revolutions per minute, it produced 247 horsepower, allowing the RX500 to reach speeds up to 240 kilometers per hour, 150 miles per hour. One of the RX500's most innovative features was its multicolored rear lighting system. These lights changed color to indicate the vehicle's behavior: red for braking, amber for cruising, and green for acceleration, an early concept of visual communication with other drivers for enhanced safety. The original prototype debuted in a lime green finish, but was repainted yellow for consistency with Mazda's show cars at the Tokyo Motor Show. It lacked headlamps initially, but was later equipped with them and repainted silver. Contrary to rumors, only one RX500 was ever built. Restoration work in the late 2000s revealed 3 paint layers: green, yellow, and silver, confirming its uniqueness. After decades in storage, the RX500 was restored in 2008 by request of the Hiroshima City Transportation Museum. It reappeared at the 2009 Tokyo Motor Show and in 2014 was displayed at the Goodwood Festival of Speed in the United Kingdom. In popular culture, the RX500 became a collectible die-cast model produced by Matchbox as MB66 in 1971, further cementing its legacy. Today, the sole RX500 prototype resides in pristine condition at the Numaji Transportation Museum in Hiroshima. Despite never entering production, it remains one of the most iconic and imaginative concept cars ever created by Mazda.